In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use UI kits in Figma. UI kits are incredibly useful resources for speeding up your design workflow and ensuring consistency across your projects. They provide pre-designed components, templates, and often entire design systems that you can easily integrate into your own work. Let's walk through the process of finding and using them. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Community section within Figma. You can usually find this option prominently displayed in the left-hand sidebar or navigation panel when you first open Figma or are on your file browser page. Clicking on Community will take you to a vast library of templates, plugins, and resources shared by the Figma community, which is where we'll find our UI kits. Once you're in the Community section, your next step is to locate and click on UI kits. This is typically a category or filter option that helps you narrow down the extensive list of resources available. Selecting this will filter the content to show only user interface kits, making it much easier to browse through relevant design assets specifically tailored for building interfaces. These kits can range from simple component libraries to comprehensive design systems for web, mobile, and more. Now that you're viewing the UI kits, it's time to choose a template that suits your project's needs. Take your time to browse through the various options. You'll find kits designed for different platforms, aesthetics, and purposes. Consider what kind of interface you're building, whether it's for a mobile app, a website, or a specific type of application. You can often see previews or descriptions that highlight the kit's features and components. Look for kits that are well organized and have good reviews, as these tend to be more robust and easier to work with. After you've found a UI kit you like, click on its listing to view more details. On this detail page, you'll typically find a button that says Open in Figma. Clicking this button will automatically duplicate the entire UI kit file into your own Figma account, usually opening it in a new tab or window within the application. This ensures that you have your own editable copy without affecting the original community file. It's a seamless way to bring external design assets directly into your workspace. Once the file is open in your Figma editor, take some time to preview it thoroughly. Navigate through the different pages and frames within the kit. Most UI kits are well structured, with dedicated pages for components, styles, typography, and example screens. Familiarize yourself with how the kit is organized, the naming conventions used for layers and components, and the design decisions made by the creator. This initial exploration will help you understand the kit's full potential and how you can best adapt it to your project. From here, you can start customizing colors, fonts, and individual components to match your brand and specific design requirements.